my name is Sara, and welcome to my first slime review. So it sounds pretty obvious. I'm just gonna review the slime and rate it out of 10. So in front of you guys. So I already opened it up. So here's the slime. I'll take it out. Here's the slime. It is a clear slime. Clear. It is used out of purple glitter glue. So I'm going to stretch it and rate on the stretchiness. So okay, somewhat stretchy. Here. Try it again. Here, I'll move back. It is okay. That time it was stretchy. So stretchiness is probably could be a 7 out of 10. It's not sticky. You can hold it in your hand for such a long time. It's like rubber. It's not my favorite slime. But now to it on the clickiness. So this slime is a smaller slime, so kind of harder to click. So kind of clicky. Not that clicky though. Clickiness, 4 out of 10. Slime bubble. Okay, that just broke. Wow. Oh shoot. Okay, now it's everywhere. No. Yeah. Okay. I like how stretchy it is. I like the color. I'm gonna try and make slime bubble. Hold on. Probably not gonna work. Sorry that this slime is so rubbery. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay guys, so since this slime did not really, it's kind of bad, but since it didn't work out well, I'm gonna be reviewing another one of my slimes. This one is tiny, it's like 2 ounce. Okay, here it is. It's like blue with some glitter. This one's stretchy. Oh my god, this one won't rip. Again, it's not sticky at all. Okay, so I had to pause the video because my brother was coming in and they're talking. Okay, so as I said, super stretchy. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm not gonna even try clicking because this side just not gonna work. It's too so I don't know if you guys can tell how small it is. See, not pretty big hand. I have a hand of container, pretty big hand. So you put the slime on hand, small. It just moved the camera. Okay. Here's Adam Cam. Go talk.
My name is Adam. I'm a previous slime and that slime. Mama! Adam. Adam to dad.
So that was my brother Adam Cam. But yes, it is the end of the video. I know I was kind of shy. I was just reviewing 2 of my slimes and showing it to you guys. Okay, before we leave, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you stay action. Goodbye, everybody.